Okay, so I'm just hanging out here on Amherst Island at our buddy Kyle's house, and we went to cut down some trees, but we forgot our axe, so we're gonna try and friggin' figure something else out. Oh, nice.
That was almost.
Run there, Jeff.
I'm excited.
I'm excited
we
too.
need some firewood. Oh.
What do you think about that, Kyle?
I think it's going to be hard to section it up once it's down.
Yeah?
But, you know, there's a will, there's a way. We got ammo.
I think we're probably going to get lots of kindling out of it, you know?
Nice.
Different things.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Nice.
We got some firewood now.
So you don't need an axe or a chainsaw, just bring a shotgun. It's Ben Show. Hang out later.